outliers. What is outlier, guys? Outlier is, different data points. Outlier is data point which outlier detection from the graph. How do we detect outliers? Outlier detects from the graph. Let me tell you, I forgot to introduce yesterday. Outlier is also called anomaly detections. Write down, guys. Very powerful. So I will complete today. Okay, approve. Very important point I forgot to mention yesterday. Outlier is also called anomaly detection. So in interview, when someone asks you what is meant by anomaly detections, means odd numbers. So outlier we discussed. Understand, team? Okay. So the next one, how to detect outliers and graphs visualization is the technique to detect the outlier. Understand, guys? How do we detect outlier? Visualization is the technique to detect outlier. Pretty clear. So the next one is Akshita, same link of online team. This is after visualization's outlier. We completed all the part and just go here. A basic Python we introduce. Okay. Number systems. We talk about number systems. Let's copy and we work with these number systems. So what is number systems? Where we implement to check IP addresses. All right. To check IP addresses, this number systems we used in real time. This number systems we will use to check. What is the command to check IP address? IP config. Okay, good. IP config. So the next one, bitwise operators. Are we completed bitwise operators? Bitwise operator. We introduce, and we completed only how many? You completed only complement. What is complement? It give you tilt symbol, negative values. It will give you using complement. Understand? The next one, how to swap variables, guys. How to swap two variable using rotational concept, which is a comma b equal to b comma a. So we do have different other concepts as well. So what are the concepts we talk about? There's a 5-way we talk this, guys. So let's talk about this, and I introduce. Let me copy and Control V. So how to swap to variable. So this is, I don't need to make it too big. Just apply here. I'll cut them up. Let's move here. And then using XOR. Yeah, that's it. I think I said using XOR. This on a little bit, somehow to little bit guidance given how to code for 3 years target. Understand, guys? We live 60 years. Can't we spend 3 years for code every day? Every day, 1 hour. Just minimum, I'm saying. Then slowly you integrate to that. See, most of people will confuse whether I learn Java, whether I learn C, C++, or anything else. So you pick a language which is easy. That's it. So if you want to travel, you go by bus. You want code. You need an output, right, guys? So whether the output you write a C code, C++ code, Java code, Python code, Kotlin code, and Lang code, and Ruby, all those things, end of the day, you should get output. It doesn't matter which language you've been using. Concept clear? Thank you. Okay. So that's it. All right. So today is 21. Today is 21. Let's start today's session. Why very less people? Do you see day by day people are reducing or not? Day by lib file to you. I will share matplotlib file to you. Saturday and Sunday, no sessions because the luckily end operator. Now let's start today's sessions, guys. Let's start today's session. Okay. So in this one, we're facing problem to join through WebEx. So bitwise, what is meant by bitwise? Let's have a look at this. We know 1 and 1 is 1. For example, 0 and 0, 0. What is the logic? The logic is very simple. 1 and 1 is 1, rest of them 0. That's all we follow in AND operators. When we talk about OR, 0 or 0, Sri, please registered. Okay, thank you, Sri. This is the logic. Can I say this now? 12. See, 1100. Can I write this, guys? 1100. How do we got this? You can divide 12 by 2 and all those things you can mention this. And do you know that if I say 3, do you see any value of zeros over here? No, right? Left side zeros are no value, but right side zeros are value or not? Okay, 3, this rupees in your bank account, this in his bank account. Lot of differences. All I don't say, sir, I never see this in my bank account. First, that's what you study. Anyway, just go here and let's try this. 12 means 1100. 13 means 1101. Let's try to see 12 and. When you apply 12 and 13, follow this. 0 and 1 is what, guys? 0 and 1 is what? 0. 0 and 0 is 1 and 1 is 1 and 1 is. So 110 is 12 or 13. So 12 and 13, what is output now? 12. Clear? Concept clear, guys? Okay. Now 12 or 13. If you follow this graph, 12 or pipe symbol. Can you please type pipe symbol 12 or 13? When you do 12 or 13, 0 or 1, what is output? 0 or 1? 1, 0 or 0? 0, 1 or 1? 1, 1 or 1? 1. Am I correct, guys? So that means what is output I'll get? 110, 12 or 13? Online team 12 or 13? Just go here and let's execute. It would be 13. Pretty easy or not up to this? Okay. So I know because these few guys are not able to join, I'll try to give you some of the recording links for last 2 days so that the guys who miss, you can refer to that. Online team, okay? So I think you said some days is missing. Which day? 6th or 7th? Okay. Online team, may I know which day the lab, I mean, the record is missing? 6th, right? Okay, I will 6th, there is a Zoom issue. We send an email to the Zoom technical guy. I will, any update, I'll get back to you. Okay, guys? 6th, 7th you have. Okay, that's fine. Can you say bin of 13? What is binary of 13? 1101 or not? Can you solve it 35 and 40? What is answer? No, you execute and don't give me answer. You go home and 35. Can we split like this 35? Can you split like 35 and you get 40? Then end. Let's understand. Team, are you clear or not? Can you do that? 35 and 40. Just check this where we can use bitwise operators in real. Purnima, this is a concept. Every time, see, in MS Word has many part, right? So do you do all these things? These are the concepts. So few things, but these we applied bitwise for object detections. You know, in CNN, we build object detections, guys. In there, we use these operators. Understand, Purnima? Okay. Yeah. Now, 35 and 40, we understood 32. 35 or 40. You can 43. How? Can you don't ask how because I'll give you a task. 35. So what do you do? Divided by 2 or not? So what is 2, guys? It is. So 2 17 ja 34. Reminder is 1. 2 8 ja 16. Remainder is 1. And 2 4s are. Remainder is 0. So 2 2s are. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. So this is all those things or not? 1 0 0 1 1. Now can you do it for 40 as well? Now you can write, you can solve. Can you solve or not? This is a very simple task I'm given, and please you try to solve that. Understand? Okay. So guys, are you understand? If I go up, I can see like bitwise operator, complement operators we completed, AND operator we completed, OR operator we completed. So in very short time we complete because all credit goes to this table, isn't it? So that's why whenever you build this type of table, now concept clear and practical complete easily. Next one, let's go here. 3530 XOR. Did I talk about XOR or not? What is XOR? Exclusive OR. In exclusive, 0 XOR 0, 0, 1 XOR 1, 0. That's it. So can you do this now? 0 XOR 1, 0 or 1? 1, and rest of them are 0. So let's try 12 XOR 13. Can you solve it? See this, guys. 12 means 1100. 13 means 1101. So when you say 0 XOR 1, so what is output I get now? What is output? Just go and hit. You get 1. Do you see this 1 now? Are you guys understand or not? How many of them clear? Everybody? Okay. So 12 means 1100 and 13 means 1101. If you say 0 XOR 1 is what, guys? 1. Rest of them 0. So here we got output as 1. 25 XOR 30. Can you do it? Can you do it or not, guys? This is very simple task. You go home, take a pen and paper and solve. What is output? 7. Very simple. You apply the same concepts now. You apply the same concepts. 25, you can solve it. 30, you can solve it. And you get this one. So binary of 25 is what, guys? Binary of 25 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Binary of 30 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Clear? 1 XOR 1. What is output? 0, right? 0 XOR 1. 1. 0 XOR 1. So this is all those things or not? Now, if I say, let's, 1 moment, 4 1s 0, right, guys? I can try here and int of 0 be 4 or 3. Okay. Did I done something wrong? You can try this XOR 25 XOR 30. So I can check binary of 7. Okay, you got this one. 0B 111. Are you clear, guys? That's it. So now you can talk about this. Let me close this. I don't want. So I hope you binary 10. So how many operators we cleared now? Complement and then one moment. AND operator and OR and XOR. Can I go to the next one? Very important. Left shift and exactly, Srikant. That's right. These are the basic. Left shift, right shift. Understand? Listen to me. In bitwise, left shift means, okay, we gain the bit. Let me write it down. In left shift, we represent as 2 arrow mark. That means we gain the bit. Right shift means we lose the bit. What's mean by that? Follow me. Okay, just go to the code. In this code, 10 less than 2. Okay, listen to me. Do you see in school days we learn 2 equal to, can I say 2.0? Can I write it or not? This is a simple math. I can write 2.00. I can also write 2.00000, isn't it? Okay, but now refer to this. Here, 10. What is meant by 10? 1010? Not. 10 means what, guys? Guys, don't be focused on typing. Understand? Focus on my explanations. Don't do the mistakes. I speak something, you do something else. Understand? So that's the biggest. So 10 means what? 1010? Isn't it, guys? And left shift 2. How many bits, guys? 2 bits. So I wanted to little explain this. So 1010, 2 bits I gain. From right side, how many bits I gain? 20 and keep inside it. If I say 3, how many zeros I gain inside? 3. If I say 4, 4. Let's solve it now. For example, just go here 101000. Let's solve it. 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 is 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 is 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 is how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 8 plus 0. So what is our output now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 5, guys? 32, 32. 32 plus 8. What is output? I should get this output now. Okay. Understand this one? How many bits? 2 bits. Let's go and sort it. 10 left shift 2, we got 40. Concept clear? Concept clear, guys? 2 bits means we gain the bits. And that's concepts called left shift. Left side, we gain. Right side, we lose. Understand, everybody? Okay, good. Can I give you, answer me, please? 10 less than 3. What is output? What is output? 10. Okay. Varun, is there any issue? Varun, why you joined lately? May I know? 10. Write 1. That means 101.0. From this value, we lose. 0 we lose or not here? When I say 10, right shift 2, what happened? 10.10. Leave it. Count this. Just go here and check Latin. No, that's not simple Vasista. It's too hard. Just go here and people cannot understand. Just go here and execute. So you got 1. If I say 2, what is output? 2 or not? How can I do that? Just 10. So here 10.10. I remove this. Now apply. 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1. Isn't it? So 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Are you guys clear up to this? Now let's write 1010 right shift. How much, guys? Or maybe 1. 101.0. How many bits we lose? 1 bit. Can you solve it? 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. So 4 plus 1 equal to, now check this. This would be the output. I'm sorry. Let's go here and we solve it. 1, execute 5. Clear the logic? Can you tell me what is 10 right shift 3? Right shift 3. Solve it. What is output, guys? This one. 1. Very simple. 1010. How many bits we lose? 3 bits. 1.010. Leave them. So 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. Very straightforward. Can you do this? 20 greater than 4? So guys, I think we are completed bitwise operator. All the operators we completed. I will give you a small interview questions on operators on Monday, or maybe this Sunday once I free, I will give you on. I'll upload interview questions on Saturday or Sunday. Clear? Python operators we cleared. What are the operators we have? Arithmetic, assignment, logical, relational, bitwise, and then we have complement, unary operators, and then left shift, right shift, anything else, and or XOR. That's it. No need to spend 1 week to understand this. If you join Python class, these same concepts they'll explain 1 week. Where in interview they don't teach. Understand? Are you clear, everybody? Okay, that's nice. I hope you guys clear. Next one. Little advance I will introduce now. Refer import math module. Okay, functions. See, when you say help options, can you get help options like this? Do you see get an options like this? Can please post the link of the workshops on Sunday in Google Classroom? No, this week I don't take any workshop because continuously I'm doing, sir, because we're losing bits, right? Exactly, Alina. Okay. Workshops never gives, guys, because in workshops everything is a free classes, right? So many people come and take the code just like that. And they use that. You people don't use, they use it. So, but still I have to take, maybe next week I'll update you. So those are advanced, might you don't understand, leave it. When the things required, I will tell you. Follow that. Okay, buddy. Are you get when you say help options, so inbuilt, yes, it is inbuilt. Help, if you say help, do you see you get this bar or not? Everyone, you got this bar? And when you got this bar, you check this option is clicking or not. That means internally the code is running. Do you see this, what we call button? So if you check this, and do you see the star? Always remember the star means the code is running behind. The star means code is running behind. So what you do, it asking to quit this help utilities. What exactly it's welcome to the Python 3. The Python saying to everyone, please refer my tutorial. Do you see this? Right click and okay, let's click it. This is the Python tutorial. Understand him? Refer to this. See, your code is saying refer me because Python company given these tutorials to follow. So today you little check now. Today onwards, first you refer to this guy. Understand? Now, you want to help any topic. Which topic? List. Enter. Do you see when we talk about list, behind the scene, what is static method, new, hashable, all the internal things working or not? Team, I hope understand. So are you get all these help options like that? Length functions, see iter functions, greater than, get items, delete items, add items. Do you append or not? When you append, you write in front end APPEND, but behind the scene, add, these all add method is called in the get items. So I add, implement self dot plus value. But what is self? I will teach you this concept in OOPS. Hello guys, are you understand or not what I'm speaking? 7:30 p.m. batch. So this is more powerful. This is more powerful. If you do not understand, it's waste of learning Python. And if you waste, you cannot create a transformers. What is transformers? GANs. There's a lot of advanced things we have. So now append. Do you see behind the scene? Append object to the end of the list. It's a inbuilt functions or not append. So how do I come out of this one? Just here, Q, quit. It stopped. Check this. It stopped. Now it's a so big output. I want to clear it. Just go here and right click, clear cell outputs. Am I clear or not? I hope guys understand. Can you please check this? Your work? Cool. Okay. Now, Kalyan, what happened, buddy? You any issues you getting with the WebEx? I will speak with online team. Just wait for some time. Can you introduce math? Math has, do you see math is a subject? If I ask anyone expert in math? No. Math is ocean or not? We study math in first class, then second class, then fourth class, then 10th class, then college, then PhD, then researcher. Still, isn't it? So this never. So when you talk about math, let's do this. X equal to square root of kernel and clear all outputs. Very simple. Can you answer me? X equal to square root of 25. What is output? What is output? 5 or not? Let's see. Error. Understand? You guys done. Your round fail. Now you don't get. So that's what little. X equal to square. Or square is a function of math. I have to call the math first, then I pass square. Are you done this? No. Let's call it now. Import math module. What is module? Collections of functions. Math is a module. What is functions math? Add, sub, mul, round, floor, seal. We have all those things or not? So now can you try this import math? Now write x equal to math square 25. Just check this. Pretty cool or not? Now you guys understand. First, you have to import the modules and then you have to call it. Then things would work out. Yep. Cell not executed. Okay, no problem, Sagar. Clear, guys? Understand everyone? So next one, math dot square root of 15. What is output? If I tell you to write this program in Java, you have to write minimum 5 lines of code. Understand? You have to write minimum. So that's what God created Python only for non-technical guys. Remember this. Understand? So every Tom, Dick, Harry become a Python developer. So if they come under me, then only. If you go to someone else, no, it's not. Let's go ahead and do that. So can you say print math dot floor and seal? Okay, do you see in the house floor? What is floor? Floor, ceiling, isn't it? Look at this. If I have 2.9, 2.9, what is floor value? 2.9 is between 2 and 3 or not? The floor value is 2. The ceiling is 3. Pretty clear? So flooring and ceiling. So floor means this, ceiling is that. So 2 means, low numbers, 3 means, ceiling means up numbers. Just do this now. Just go here and try it. Can you please tell me what is output? 3.87. What is floor? What is floor, guys? 3. Fantastic. Just go and check. What is seal? What is seal? Hey, don't output and tell me the answer, man. Very simple. It is a 4 or not? Guys, are you understand? Floor means low value between the interval. Seal means high value. Are you done, everyone, guys? Okay. Elena, where 87 comes up? Oh, you not understand then. Cell not. Can you restart the kernel and do it? Or maybe you can do it later. Alina, you cleared the concepts? Very simple, guys. What I'm trying to say, if I say 4.5, so this value is between 4 to 5 or not? This value is between 4 to 5. This is flooring, this is ceiling. Remove this one. This is a decimal part. This is a decimal part. Alina, clear? So math functions, are we done, guys? Floor and seal. Can you do? But there is a question. every time if I type like this, I have to call only one functions or not? Listen to me. If you see this, either math.square, only one functions. Math.floor, only one functions. Now my questions, in the one line code, can I do three functions at once? Okay, follow me what I'm trying to say. Behind the inside the memory, in memory allocations, I said math dot square. I create one cell, math dot floor. Create another line, math dot seal. Create another line. Internal memory, three times the memory allocated or not. So memory space occurs a lot. Every time I try to reduce the memory, guys, that's why we need to learn data structures and algo. All right. So how to reduce the space? Then follow this. Little scroll down, math.power. What is output? What is output? 3 square 9, guys, isn't it? 3 square 9. Math.pi, constant 3.14. In your school 3.14, but machines give you 15926, isn't it? So this is what, general knowledge questions maybe you encounter somewhere. When you say math.e means epsilon value 2.718. So do you see how you guys, are you getting these outputs or not? Pi means 3.14. Okay, don't ask a question, sir. Do I want to remember all those things? No need to remember, just you said 3.14. Epsilon means what? 2.7. Math.square. So I hope why we got. Now let's say every time I write MATH, isn't it? Every time I write, cancel, just write good. So every time I write math dot. So the moment when you say math dot square, it is working. If I remove A, it will error output. It will give us, okay, can you check why? M is not defined. Can I write, that's why import math as M. What we do now? Import math as. Now, can I say N? Yes, you can declare. Can you say A? Yes, you can declare. It's your wish. Import numpy as NP. Import matplotlib.pyplot as from PLT. Cborn as SNS. Are you getting my point? So we call our home Pintu, Chintu, Rintu, we all those things or not? Because they don't have a time to call big name. Agree with me, guys. So that's why we can say import methods are getting error. Pranay, what is the issue, man? Deadlock is another pending input. Submit your pending. What happened? What happened? Oh, okay. Help function not closed. Okay, do one thing. Pranay, wait. I'll unmute you. Enter Q. Can you all functions called? Understand, guys? Internally, all functions called. But now, let's say import math as M. Guys, are you understand why we mentioned as part? Yes or no? So import now do M dot square 10. Here we got bug. Now let's go here. Now what is benefit of this? The thing is, what is the benefit of this? There's a lot of benefit. See, from a math import square power. Do you see two work we done one time? In memory, I not create two line items. One item, all codes is execute. Just refer this from math import square and power. Just write the two statements, just boom, done. Guys, are you clear or not? Very much clear. So this is simple concepts. And now, okay, now Alina, answer to your questions. Can I use import power? It's more better when you do a star. What I'm saying, hey Python, whatever the math functions internally inbuilt, please call them all together at once. So you do anything, print power, just execute done. Do you see this, guys? Are you understand everyone? Online team and offline team. How many of them clear? Concept clear? The guy non-technical team, are you enjoying or not? Are you guys enjoying the classes? Good. Okay. Now, if you need help, math, do you see help math? In math, what are the topics? A cos, A sine, tan, okay, and combinations, probability, copy signs. No need to go for all those things. Just understand how to get information. So sorry, yesterday's task is a bit easy, but I'm struck and date in time. No, Venu, try that. You will, many people already done. Do you see the class notes? Many people, non-technical people already completed Venu. It's that you didn't spend time. Once you spend, it will solve. All right, guys, now you solve. In upcoming day, when a company you joined, if the manager give you the task, could you work or not? You remind these classes. Understand, guys? All right. Let's go here and solve. Help math functions. I just right click and clear cell output. PyCharm. IDE or not? PyCharm is another IDE. Are you done up to this? Are you completed? Everyone done? Can I go to the next topic? Just respond yes or no. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. PyCharm, I will tell you when we install, when we talk about loop. Today, I want to introduce a very important functions, which is called input functions. What is this one? Input functions. I will close this, listen, and any questions, feel free to ask me. Very powerful, and I'll tell you what is CLI and all the part. How to get input from users. Just refer to this. When you open a Facebook, or when you open a Instagram, or when you go somewhere, it asks enter your name. The prompt we getting or not? Understand? That means the moment when you say x equal to input, just enter. Do you see? We get a box. Can you try this? Can you try this? Just here. What exactly it's saying? It's saying Python saying, hey user, can you input something? Isn't it? So let's say 5, 6, enter. I got 6. We get as a string, guys. Do you understand or not? Which data type it's take internally? String. Okay, now let me repeat again. Or let's say 2.3. Just enter. Again string. Are you got the point? In code, every line by line is very important. So that's why don't rush for coding. Yesterday I said you spend 3 years every day 1 hour work coding, not more than that. 60 years we living, right? 3 years you complete the work. 57 years you enjoy the salary. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Okay, let's go ahead. Input. Now let's enter. Now you can say 2, 3, 4. Okay, fantastic. So what exactly happened? By default, input function understand only string. Are you guys clear or not? So input function saying, hey Python, just Python in telling users, hey buddy, please enter some value. Then only I'll run. What exactly Python saying? Hey buddy, you just enter some value, then only I'll run. Can you say type of X? It is a string. Are you guys done the work now? Are you complete? Can I go to the next code? Refer to this. Okay. Now, X equals to input, Y equal to input. So how many command line I will get now? Y, 2 identifiers are defined. Let's go ahead. Only string we can enter input. Exactly, because Z equal to X plus Y and print Z. All right, guys. Now let's execute. X equal to input. Let's enter 5. Next, enter 6. So G, if I enter, what is output I get? 11? 11 or 56? Because I explained the concepts, that's why you say 56. If I didn't explain the concepts, everyone's 11. Just go ahead and enter 56 or not. But the interview questions, I need 11 out. I don't want 56 is wrong or right, guys? 56 is wrong. I need how much? 11. 5 plus 6 equals to 11. So how? Do you see typecasting? Did I explain to you or not? How to convert string to int, guys? Int of. Do you see? If I didn't teach you on that day, you can't solve it. So that's why every classes come and listen. Just simply happily listen and apply the job. Clear? Just go here and do it now. Type of G, it is a string, guys. But every time, see the best way, I'll write, just listen to me. So rather than if I enter this one, I get my empty screen, not look good, isn't it? So if I go somewhere, or maybe you get some ice creams to get some ice cream in the vendor machines, it asking or not, give me the money. So then prompt is creates. If you don't, instruction is required. So let's feed the instructions. 5, 5, enter. Let's see input. Can I print a small thing? Enter the first number. What exactly happened? Here, when I execute, guys, are you following me? Everybody, 7:30 p.m. batch. Okay, can I stop or will continue? Don't say stop. Tomorrow is a holiday. Okay, so let's do this. Input, enter the first number. Y1, input, enter the second number. Now, Z1, just go here. It has makes more sense now compared to prior code. Compared to prior code, this code has makes more sense. Okay, I have examined it. Take it light, man. No problem. College exams, you write KGF movie story. You will get first division. Yes, Vasist. Okay. So here you can say 4 and you can write 5. What is output? Do you see now the code has make more sense now? Now the code has makes more sense. Just enter. You got 45. Now what I'm saying I need 9. 4 plus 5 equals to. Let's do this. Again, it's string or not? Can I write this way? X1 equal to input, enter the first number. A1 equal to int of X1. Y1 equal to enter the second number. Create a 4 variable. B1 equal to int of Y1. G1 equal to A1 plus B1. Can you do it now? Can you type it, guys, everybody? See, understand the code with working is very entertainment. You don't know the subject how to study. I will teach you. 6 months you will complete like this. So here X1, in memory, what happened? I create X1. I'm saying enter the first number. If you enter 4, it was string, right? A1 will convert string to int. Now Y1, enter the second number. B1 will convert to int. Now, if I say X1 plus Y1, you got wrong information or not? X1 plus Y1, you got wrong informations. Just go here and now what happened? Enter the first number 4, enter the second number 5, go ahead 9. Team, I hope clear now. How many of them completed up to this? Yes. Everybody understand the concepts? Guys, when you say type, don't blindly type. Even though you don't work with me, no problem, but don't miss out the listening. Understand? 17-year experience knowledge I pass to your brain. My brain to your brain I pass. Understand? If you don't capture, then I'm very sorry for that. Everyone. So listen to me. Understand, and do you see? Is it a right coding skill? Long code or not? How many variables I created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, man. That means every variable bit size is 1 KB. I spent 5 KB. I mean, my memory is 4 GB RAM. I spent 5 KB to define the variable. So isn't it so big? So it's not. So I can write in for the above code. If you notice, we are using too many lines because for that we are wasting some memory spaces as well or not. Understand this? Assume you have a small house in your room. So in that house, you try to give up a space or not? In the house, we make up more spaces, isn't it? The same way, we need to create a more space, then our code will execute and end users work properly. So here, can I convert the 5-line code to like this? X2 int of input enter the first number, Y2 int of input the second number. Just go ahead and try 4 and 5, enter. And which is better, this one or this one? This is called code optimizations. This is called code optimizations. That's why we learn data structure and algorithms. Big projects we need to solve in less line of code. Understand? First point. Second point is whenever all those things when the time comes up, I introduce. Okay. So guys, I hope you're clear. What is input functions? I'll give you some questions in input functions. You can create a calculator app, many app. Input functions is highly recommended for a basic Python projects, guys. I will give you few basic codes you work in your home. Can you do it or not? So this is the only class in your lifetime, this 6-month sessions you always memorable. Understand? Just go here and next now. Let's talk about, we pass integer or not? Can I pass a char? What is char? Character. Can I pass a character to the string? Let's follow me. Type this. Listen to me, then type. Ch equal to input, enter a char. So some of them call it char. It's not charu, rasam, sambar. It's called char or character. Char. Okay. So here, ch equal to input, enter a char. Just type, what is character? Let's say NIT. Just enter NIT or not. I want to print the first index. Can you say print ch of 0? You got output or not? Print ch of 0 slice 2, ni. Print ch of 1, I, guys. Clear or not? Print ch of -1 is what, guys? T. But now the question is, I don't want like this. I don't want like this. The prompt will appear the moment when I pass a string, it read the first index. I need like that way. So how do I do it? Just refer to the code. Input, enter a character. Can I use like this now? Refer to this. Hello. What is the first index? Enter 0. Pretty cool now. Guys, understandable? All right. Now, enter a characters. Hello. What is output? E. Understand? Now, refer to this. Enter a characters. Hello. 1 slice 3. What is output? Concept clear or not? Input functions, we pass number, we pass character. Next, can I move on to the next one? Online team, offline guys, can I move on to the next one? Okay, yes. Now, okay. Are you guys done up to this one? Just, if you don't code, no worries, leave it. I will explain later part. Okay, one moment. I need you some time to complete this, then I'll talk about this. Enter an expressions. What is expressions? For example, 4 plus 5 into 3. Understand, guys? So just enter, it is 19. 4 plus 3, Oh, I'm sorry. Here, eval functions using input. So if you see this, or maybe I'll copy, I'll create value here. I'll remove the one and let's try unmatched. Why we got output, guys? Okay, now try. So 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 minus 6, enter. Do you see this or not? I should get a out. It's a expressions. It's neither int nor string. Understand? This is called expressions. So can I get this? In input functions, there is a concept of eval. There is a concept of eval. So what exactly this concept does, just refer to me. And here, the moment when you pass eval, input enter in expressions, just go here and you try 4 plus 5 minus 3, 6. So guys, are you clear? Input functions, these are the basic code. These are the basic code. And you build projects from this basic code. If I teach you 3 months in Python, I will make you geeks in Python. You see many topics which you feel so confident after that. Not forget about the 10 months is 1 month. Okay. What is the difference between eval? Didn't hurt the class, man? Srikant, what questions you asking, buddy? You really don't know what is difference between eval and int? Come on, guys. Eval is a concept of input. When you make some expressions, you have to pass. 4 plus 5 minus 3. Is it an integer? No, we pass int value to make expressions. Srikant, are you clear, buddy? We pass, got it. Okay. Now, there is a questions. The question is last part. Then can I share this notepad? Can I share this notebook? Would you complete? Yes, everybody. Okay. Now, your interviewer says, I don't want like this. I please print in command line prompt. Just go here and type CMD. Go and type CMD. Understand, guys, here. Now, let's follow this. Okay, just refer to this. I'll go here. Do you know you can run your Python query in CLI as well? CLI means command line interpreter. Now listen to me, then work. Notepad, not plus plus. Just click this notepad. Just go here and I will file, new tab. Let's close, don't save. Are you clear, guys? I said, let's go here. X equal to 2, Y equal to 3, and then Z equal to X plus Y and print G. Pretty clear? And I'm going to file and save as. Just go to desktop and then here I can save the file. Okay, you Python. Okay, maybe test.py. What is extension of Python? What is extensions of SQL? .sql. What is extensions of PDF? What is extensions of HTML? XML? XML. Clear? Same way, the extensions, I save my Python file as .py and save. Do you see the file created or not? Understand? Now, let's go to the code in CMD. Hey, wait. Come on, man. Okay. Now, cd desk enter. All right. Cd desktop enter. So this file, Python test dot, just no need to do, just type Python dot app. You got output 5 or not? I can write the code in here as well. Understand, team? Clear? Now, if I add, let's say, and I can say G equal to 5 and T equal to, let's say, X plus Y plus G. Control S, save. Just go here and enter. Why we got 5, guys? Because didn't I saved it? File, save. Oh, I'm sorry, print T, right, guys? My bad. Oops, 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 oops. Print T. Just save. And then solved. Clear or not? I'm saying if I here, okay, so at this moment, I'll remove print G and just Control G, just go back, Control S. Let's keep it as simple. This is what, and Control S. Just go here. Now CLS, clear. So here what exactly happened? So I can say python dot test.py 5. I'm saying I want to add a two number, 6 and 7. What should be my output? My output should be 5, 6 plus 7 is 13. But still I got 5 or not? So how do I do it in here? So the same code, I want you to enter this code now. If you refer this, int system argv1 sys.argv2. Refer to this here. What are you pass, guys? Int system dot, do you see this, guys? Do you refer this? What I need to pass? Int sys.argv. I'll come back. First take 1 and close it. Then int of sys.argv2. That means it doesn't matter. And then what you do? G equal to x plus y, print G. Let's go and control save. Just go here and type now. Okay, name sys is not defined. Why? Oh, okay. They said import sys. Understand? Argv means the moment when you say x equal to 5, that is first argument. Y equal to 2 means that is second argument. Control S now. Just go here. I pass 6 and 7. Good. 13. Are you clear? Are you clear? Now, if I pass 6, 7, 8, 13. Wrong. Why? What I do my code? Just go here. G equal to int of sys dot system, sys dot version, sys dot arg. We take 3 argument and close, and then you take a t now equals to x plus y plus g and print t, control S. Just go here and boom. So can I add more? So we work with input. Index start should be 0. Persist. Don't use too much thinking. This is not an index. Index is different concepts. This is different. Understand persist? So that's why we need to learn the code to understand the basics things. Can you do it in your home? So guys, okay, persist, I hope you're clear. The index is different. Instead of 0, you try, you won't get any. Instead of 1, if you pass 0, you let me know what you get. Offline team, everybody clear? Online team, everyone clear? Just little close this. And now, one moment, just go to home. Today, I will explain first basic Python program till input functions we are completed. Next, what is next? Loops. CPU, I will explain later, but a little info. CPU means what, guys? Central Process Unit. No, I'll explain later, not now. Let me close. Refer to this file always. Just copy and I'll go to this notes. Refer to the document which given by Python to the developers. Hey developers, refer to me so that your things would be clear. No need to create so much mess in your brain stating, can I learn these codes? Can I understand? can I get a job? Do your karma, do your duties. Result given by God. God never give you opportunities till you didn't sacrifice. Understand? So few things not in our hand. God is checking you. If I give him an offer, do you think he survive? Till that time you didn't get job. Fact. Understand, guys? If you done 1 hour, no, you won't get job. God will give you a job if you're capable, then only you will get. And whenever you get job, you got to know that time. Remember what I'm saying. Okay. Now this is all the code I will tell you. Just a little scroll down. Very nicely I define my notes so that anybody can be a data scientist if you follow me and if you give your best. Understand, guys? Okay. So you are lucky to be here in front of me. The guy who's studying, he only come in front of my classes, or else nobody will come. There's a reason. All right, guys. So let's have you choose it. Let's talk about these slides are very important. These drawings are very important. Because of these drawing, basics you covered. Very good, Srikanth. Now I'll go to advanced Python now. This is what up to this. Would you do it? File, download. So NumPy 6 sections, I give it to you. Are you completed? Are you completed, guys? Okay. If not, please tomorrow and day after tomorrow is a holiday. Today also holiday. And now just do you see these social media apps are too dangerous. If you see 3 hours you will spend like this, isn't it? Something like this. Very hard to cut down all those things, man. Sometimes I also do. I spend 30 minutes is stupid. Yes, guys. So this is the biggest time killer. Agree with me. And sometimes you'll do like this, and even though you sleep like this, man, it's real impact us, isn't it? So these things impact us on our learning. It's very dangerous, man. So please stop the social media. Do you see Neha? One student, she got placed or not? She create a special infrastructures. Someone prompt is opening in VS Code. Why you open VS Code, Rahul? You can open in CMD. Okay, guys, I'll give you another practical. Just the first thing. Go to Python code and one moment. Just give me some time. Data science important projects. No, not this. Just go here and wait. Full stack NIT. Today I'll give another file, matplotlib. No data set need to be imported. This projects give you introductions to matplotlib, how to import matplotlib, how to display plot in matplotlib, pyplot API, figures and subplots, multi-line plots, line plot, scatter plot, histogram, bar chart. Sir, we have class on 2nd and 4th Saturday. Exactly. Yeah. I ask who I didn't ask these questions. So let me show you. Second, this whose question is this? So I'll tell you, buddy. Apurv, this month we have a 5 Saturday. Okay, so that's why. So next Saturday I will take. Okay, Apurv, you want to take tomorrow? No, got it. Okay, thanks. Okay, no problem, guys. Okay. No. Alina said no. Oh, okay. Just go here. So can I give you this file? See, import NumPy as NP. First you import. No need to import any data set. np.line space. Little use your brain and try to line space. What if 0 to 10, 100 line space? Change the code. 0 to 5, 1 line space. See the graph. This is sine theta cos theta. Plot the sine theta in dash dotted line, cos theta 2 dotted line. You see these normal distributions or not? In advance, I'll tell you this is called global minima. This is called global maxima. In interview questions, what is global minima? What is global maxima? What is local minima? What is local maxima? You know, this is called local minima. This is called local maxima. I'm a pakka local. You know what is local? You have a local friends or not? There are many friends. Global, how many friends? Just one or two friends. So these concepts we'll explain later. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Just go here. Little scroll down. How to create. Okay. plt.gcf and GCA. Very powerful. The moment when you say GCA, read this, get current access informations. By default, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. It is printed or not? By default. Now, tomorrow you shouldn't, excuse me, guys. Focus. Focus here. చెప్పు ఏం చెప్పాను ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు see that's the happen. GCA means what, guys? Get current access. Current access means 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So if you practice this in next project, you don't have these questions. If you ask to someone, they don't learn like this. Clear, guys? Would you cover this, all those things? What is this? So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have linear line. 1, 2, 3, 4, square. You can try Q, NP line space. I mean, the linear line, quadratic line, cubic line. Very simple code. Can't you do this? You need some mentor to understand this, guys. Can I share? I will, whether you complete or not complete, it's your choice, guys. Just go ask anyone, solve by yourself, get expert. When you learn new things, then you addicted to the classes. And you one day you completely addicted to the sessions, guys. Understand? And that's what I want. And slowly you can apply for a job. We can apply for a jobs, guys. Understand? So let's down.